Have you ever tried to endure a hot summer day without any air conditioning? You probably felt like you could melt into a puddle. One of the best ways to avoid melting like a stick of butter is to outsource any and all air conditioning maintenance to professionals. And here's why. Guarantee. The best part about going to the professionals is that their work comes with a guarantee. This way, should things ever fail on you on that hot summer day, you're guaranteed to have it repaired at no cost. Longevity. Also, having a professional install or repair your unit means it's likely to last longer. There are so many small details that go into the installation and repair of an AC system. Every last bolt, seal, and electrical connection must be installed with precision. When done properly, your unit will be set up for optimal performance. Selection. Finally, working with a professional means you're more likely to select the right model for your property. What's worse than having to send something back while you wait for the new one to arrive? Here at Aircon Repair and Maintenance Services, we'll make sure your property remains comfortably cool all year long. If your unit ever starts to give you trouble, feel free to give us a call. We'll help you cool off your property again in no time. You can even call us for a free estimate. It would be our pleasure to install optimum comfort into your home today. And if you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.